Ohio's COVID-19 cases have been ticking up since mid-June, and today the state saw its third largest daily increase in cases since the pandemic began.
News 5's Emily Hamilton talked to experts who hope to put the severity of the virus into perspective.
Healthcare workers and infectious disease experts are pleading with Ohioans not to overwhelm the healthcare system, as the number of people being tested for COVID-19 in the emergency room here at UH has tripled in the last 2 weeks. Dr. Claudia Ohioans says in late June, university hospitals' emergency rooms were testing between 60 and 80 people a day, but on Friday, about 250 patients were tested in the ER.
Whether it's young people getting sick or old people getting sick, at some point there will be a tipping point where we overwhelm the healthcare system. And so that's what we need to be mindful of.
With community spread of the virus and an uptick in cases locally, Ohioans says UH has now set up multiple outdoor triage areas to accommodate another potential surge.
Preserve the healthcare system. We don't want to get to a point where someone who's having a heart attack or a stroke doesn't have access to the care that they need because the system is so overwhelmed.
Alliance Councilwoman Cindy King says she's still struggling physically after testing positive for COVID-19 2 months ago.
I sat on the side of my bed and I cried, and I laid my hands on myself and I started to pray to God and ask God to please help me to breathe.
Recovery hasn't been quick for King, who tested positive for COVID-19 more than once, even after quarantining for weeks.
It would just hit me like a ton of bricks, and I would end up back in the bed or back in my recliner chair.
King's first negative COVID test came more than a month after initially testing positive for the virus.
Last Monday, when I woke up, was the first time I really felt good like myself.
King, along with health experts, urging Ohioans to mask up.
To let you know that it's not just a 14-day process. This is several months. It's been several months for me now, and I'm still not 100%. The only thing I can just keep telling people is to wear the mask.
And with information constantly circulating on social media, you can find more information about which counties have mask mandates on our News 5 app. Reporting in Cleveland, Emily Hamilton, News 5.